Whenever you decide to spend time with family or friends, one thing which comes to mind is watching Netflix, because it gives you happiness by watching your favorite shows in the presence of your loved ones. Netflix is the most popular service that offers a wide variety of movies, anime, documentaries, and TV shows with millions of subscribers worldwide. Many people watch it to waste their time, or we can say to spend some quality time with friends and family. It would be best if you liked watching movies on Netflix. Also, you may find many reasons to watch Netflix, but you cannot think of earning money this way. Because how could it even be possible to get money by watching movies? You might wonder, but it is true. We're here to tell you how to earn money from Netflix while watching your favorite shows. We will notify you of the facts about how people make millions of dollars by watching movies per day online. We will elaborate on many ways to earn over $100 to $300 a day by watching movies. Stay tuned to our channel and watch the video until the end to learn more about earning money. But first, please like and subscribe to our channel. All you have to do is open your laptop and search on Google about how you can earn money while watching movies on Netflix, and you will find many results. Recently, many people have been talking about exciting ways. One of the most popular yet authentic ways is the Netflix tagger jobs. We will explain this way so that you will get to know more about it this way. It is not easy to go out and earn money by having so many commitments. And if you are a mother and have a lot of work to do at home, this will be a difficult task to earn by going out. This tagging job is for those people especially. You must be wondering about tagging and want to know what Netflix tagging is. Netflix introduces this system by using tags and specific keywords to recommend movies, TV shows, and documentaries, and it helps subscribers find the searching audience they want to watch. This way, they can also get more views and clicks for themselves, which is helpful for Netflix. In this video, we will discuss many ways you can earn vast amounts of money. The first website is Netflix Tagging. You must search film taggers first, where you will find many results from different movies and TV shows. Film taggers are the movie recommendation engine for screenwriters, directors, producers, film buzz, and students. We will tell the secrets about movie watchers who do not even know that watching movies will help you make a lot of money. Please continue to watch this video to learn more about this secret. As you go on this website and search for your favorite movies, you will get many results, and you will see many options like genre, theme, and location. It will give you popular movie themes. Another icon you will find is Finding Movies. It would be best if you use this tagging to search for the movies you like. You will have the movie results on the page, along with the movie title and picture entitled over there. You may also find the movie genre highlighted with your search movie. Stay focused as we will tell you the tips and tricks that benefit you. You need to expand the movie descriptions and click on more keywords, and you will see many keywords which come under the movie genre, and keywords will help to describe the movie further. For instance, if a person is looking for the film's story, you will see the results of the movie story, which is ultimately beneficial for the viewer and an easy way to find the desired material because of the keywords. Furthermore, if you are looking for a movie with a location like an airplane, apartment, or office, these tags will help you earn money. Netflix jobs. If you are a frequent Netflix user, you may have seen Netflix job options on the website, and it's hard to believe that they are paying you for simply watching the movies. This company does hire people to watch their movies. All you have to do is go on the website and search for movie taggers over there, and you will see the categorized movies. You will find that Netflix hires people to watch films and to help them tag them and organize movies and TV shows. This job allows you to watch movies and TV shows or whatever you like to watch and then tag the keywords, and users are most likely to order a specific film. For tagging, you will earn more than $100 to $300. Well, if we had known earlier about this trick of earning money, we wouldn't have wasted a quarter of our lives by simply just watching movies. Instead, we would be millionaires. Well, it's not too late to be one. We still have a chance to watch and earn. However, we are here to guide you to earn money by only sitting at your home while enjoying the show. It's an ideal job for so many. Before moving further, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. There are many ways out there where you can earn money by watching movies, and you have to choose the most suitable option for yourself that you think could be beneficial for you and apply that immediately. Have you ever searched on Netflix while using the keywords like genre and location of the movie? For instance, suspense drama with true stories or funny movies with scary touch. You probably have searched them and have gotten the results you are searching for. To give you the results you want by keyword search, Netflix hired people who work for taggers to add the relevant labels on the Netflix shows based on content. For instance, if you search for the funny movie along with the scary touch, you may get the results as accurately as you want to. Then it could be possible that the tagger marked those films which lie on these subjects. The tagger's job is to capture the show's essence with the keywords the audience search explicitly for by tagging the relevant content and keywords. Well, some people only watch a certain amount of TV shows and movies as it contains hours of watching movies, but then again, at the end of the day, it is a job, so you should act and work like an employee. You might have many questions regarding this earning, like how can we even become a Netflix tagger? This job also has some rules and requirements for other jobs, and you need to meet the eligibility criteria and qualifications to get this job as a tagger. Number 1, you must be an adult when applying for the job. Number 2, you must have a knowledge and interest in movies, or if you are studying film or screenplay, that's even better. Number 3, you have to pass specific processes to meet the tagging criteria, and they will test your knowledge before giving you this job. Number 4, you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement before joining work for security reasons. However, Netflix is the only authentic website on the internet where you can easily apply for the tagging job without even worrying about security reasons. If you are eager to work for Netflix doing this job, check out the job listings on the website regularly so you will get to know if there are any jobs available. Some gigs are available where you can earn a part-time job, but for a full-time job, you have to fill in the criteria and requirements mentioned earlier. Another question that comes to your mind is earning of the taggers. Well, we have mentioned many times earlier that you will earn enough money per month by just Netflix tagging. It could be possible to earn between $100 to $300, which is enough for a tagger. The job description and load of work are less than a casual working hours load. Another question that comes to mind is, are there any other websites for earning money by watching movies? Some of the other websites are where you will find jobs to watch movies. Another website is Inbox Dollars. This website is also excellent, and you can earn money from there as well. You have to sign up to get paid to watch the movies. In this website, you will also get a bonus. Once you are done with confirming your account, you can see many videos in the list to watch. There are many kinds of videos like news clips, health-related, cooking shows, technical videos, TV shows, and many more types of videos. You can also see how much you will earn before you even start watching the video, so you will decide which one to watch first. By earning money, you will be required to watch all the videos in a playlist. You can see the audio length of each playlist before you begin watching. Inbox Dollars also gives you another option to earn money, like searching the internet, taking surveys, reading emails, playing games, and doing shopping. You can also make money. To cash out, you simply need a minimum amount of $30 in your account, so it will be easy for you to get the money in your hand.